Yo, what's going on, my Biomaniacs? BioLogicalEX1 is back in the house once again, or BioLogicalEX1. And I'm back once again with an unboxing video. It's been ages that I haven't done one of these. I just came back from MetroPCS, as you see the bag. And I have decided to buy something new, something that I haven't owned yet. Or, well, actually used to own, but in a different way. Well, actually, no, scratch that. I actually never owned one of these before. I used to wear headphones in the past, but not like these. So I'm going to unbag this item from my Metro bag, which I got from MetroPCS. And here he is. The Quikcell Earbuds, true wireless earbuds and charging case. As you see the front, and it's fast charging and clear sound. And as you can see here, it is designed provides maximum comfort, fits any ear with 3 gel tips included. Sounds pretty cool. Resistant helps prevent moisture in earbuds. Tap control for volume and skipping songs. What's inside? According to the side, and it says made for everyday life, true wireless, crystal clear sounds, built-in mic, and fast charging. So I'm going to unbox this and try this out for myself. Oh snack, I didn't know it came like this. That actually looks cool. Actually, these earbuds actually looks cool itself. Black on black. Nice. Oh crap. Epic fell right there. Sorry about that, folks. I hope it doesn't break. There's nothing here in the box, so I'm just gonna put this to the side. I got the charger right here. I hope I didn't break this. Well, it looks actually fine to me. There's the cover, and there's these 2 earbuds right here. I'm gonna try it out and right back. The little white bag is actually some extra ear cushioning for your earbuds. And here is a close-up of the Quikcell earbuds. I like that clean piano slick black look. And as you see, the red light is on, meaning that it is holding the earbuds. Yes, it is magnetic. And because if you actually turn it upside down, the earbuds will not fall off the tube. And here I am trying these earbuds out, and I gotta say, it feels very comfortable. And I have noticed that it is also heavy, not like a brick heavy, but quality and material wise. They must have put a lot of hard work making these earbuds. And for $60, it is worth it. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, and share it with your friends. This is BioLogicalEX1. And you have a great day and evening, Animaniacs. And comment down below if you want me to attempt more unboxing videos similar to this one. Cheers.